Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin dump, and then huge pump. Stay tuned. What's up, everybody? Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, Bitcoin dump and then huge pump. Don't get caught on the wrong side of this. Before we get into it, guys, like the video, join us on Twitter at the Crypto Love, subscribe to the channel, and also subscribe to the channel a second time if you can. Now today, Fear and Greed Index 61, down from yesterday's 63, but pretty much sideways in neutral territory. The overall market down 1% today. Bitcoin is 63,950, Ethereum at 2636, and BNB at 578. Now, Bitcoin hitting the top of basically this bull flag right here, breaking through some significant resistance, but still not breaking through the most critical levels from the top here in June. And also, we did wick above there in July. The good news is, first higher high. So it does appear, and we also have a higher low. So it does appear like the downtrend is changing, transitioning, if you'll say, to an uptrend for Bitcoin. Also finding support right now on this orange line, the 200-day moving average, coming up to the 21 EMA for support. Those levels are critical. In a second, I'll tell you exactly why. Well, here's why. That second went by fast, right? Bitcoin bear flag confirmed, target $63,000. You see price falls down, goes up, and then will fall down some more. Watch the video for how to trade it, or just don't trade it because it's almost there. And then price is likely going to bounce if you'll stick with me towards the end of the video. However, if you're waiting for Bitcoin's new all-time high, you may need to wait until the crowd slows down their own expectations. There's currently 1.8 bullish posts for Bitcoin for every one bearish post. Historically, markets always move in the direction opposite the crowd's expectations. So it seems like everybody's expecting a very fast launch. May just have to cool our jets for a while. Now, today is the last day of September, so I'm told there's only 30 days in September. But historically, when Bitcoin closes September in the green, the final 3 months of the year have seen even bigger gains. As a matter of fact, October, November, December account for nearly 40% of the gains for Bitcoin each year. This year, guess what? We have a green September, meaning likely we're going to have a green October, November, December. Can't freaking wait. And should we close higher than, I don't know, it doesn't look like we're going to be able to close that bullish engulfing candle. I don't know where we started last month. Didn't look that one up. But you can see every time previously we've had a bullish engulfing candle, the next thing that happens is an absolutely massive rally. So could we have that? Could September price pick up before the end of the month, actually have that bullish engulfing candle? Goodness, I hope so. However, even if it doesn't, should Bitcoin price pick up by November, it will still be a very good indicator that history is repeating. Why? Because September 24th is launch date. You add the standard deviation ranges, that's November 1st. Should Bitcoin price pick up by then? Rinse and repeat, Ron Popeil, set it and forget it, Bitcoin going up once again. Now, Bitcoin's doing one thing that it only ever does at market bottoms, not at market tops. That's the Bitcoin sell-side risk ratio being in this lower band right here. Only happens, you can see, when the chart is blue, that's pretty much bottoms. That's when it's in this lower band. When it's red, that's in the tops. Right now, the sell-side risk is showing bottom territory. How cool is that? Bitcoin price is like less than 10% away from an all-time high, and it's bottom territory. Freaking rad. Right now, Bitcoin does need to catch up to stocks. You can see stocks have been on a massive rally. Bitcoin continuing not doing that. But a massive move to the upside is likely. The last time that stocks went up and Bitcoin went sideways, guess what? Stocks eventually went down and continued up, but Bitcoin went up a lot faster. You guys probably remember that. That was the end of last year, October until March. How about that? The next 6 months to come up. As a matter of fact, seasonality. Summer is over and fall has arrived. Fall is from September 23rd to December 20th, according to this chart and probably some law of nature or whatever it is. But you can see, based on where we are, fall, you are right here. Look at all these. You are right here before massive rallies for Bitcoin. So we could be having a massive rally for Bitcoin around the corner. We have on the horizon a bullish cross on the weekly MACD. Last time this happened, 168% gains. Even if we get half of that right now, that's still $130,000 Bitcoin. And if we take a look at the Fibonacci circles for Bitcoin, similar to what happened back here in 2020, we are on the cusp where things break to the outside. You can see we're at the beginning of the parabolic run as in September 2020. Now, 4 years later, September 2024. Could it really be that easy? Doesn't it just seem like that's too easy? It doesn't make sense, but hey, who knows? Current price action is just noise, and same with all these talking heads on YouTube, including this one right here. If Bitcoin is truly forming a cup and handle pattern, the long-term bullish target could range between $194,000 and $352,000. That's at the 1.618 fib and also the 2 fib levels. Holy freaking cow. Let's hope we get to the 2 fib level this cycle. That would be awesome. That $300-some thousand price is also echoed in this power law quantile regression channel. And if the words are that big, somebody smart had to put it together. And clearly, it's got to be right. Well, take a look at that prediction for the end of 2025, $343,000. Or if you hold on for another 2 cycles, $2 million per Bitcoin. You don't need half a Bitcoin at that point to be a millionaire. How freaking rad would that be? Well, that's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, like the video, join us on Twitter at The Crypto Love, subscribe to the channel, and also YouTube says watch that video right there. I'll catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.